Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a journal with me. And before I get started and explain what I'm doing, thank you for joining me. It's wonderful to have you here. And if you like the content, please like and subscribe. So I am actually going to use this journal, and I'm not a journaler, so this is new for me. Um, this is, when I made this, I thought it would be fun to document the history and life and stuff of these two crazy cats that we have. So while you guys see how I go about and add stuff and decorate stuff and whatnot, I'm going to tell you a story and how they became here. So it was during the pandemic, and we have not had cats in our house for a very long time because I am like really allergic. Um, and so we, my daughter is too, so we talked to my daughter and asked her what she thought about it. I thought cats would be a comical relief and help with the, stress that everybody was having during that time frame. That was probably experienced everywhere. Anyways, so my daughter knew we were going to go, and my son had no clue. And so we told him we were going on this field trip, which wasn't a something we did quite a bit sometimes during that time frame. Our field trips always landed us with getting ice cream or whatever, but we did. It was fun. So that's what we did. And so here you'll be seeing photos. He looks so confused, but it was so funny. And when we were in the car, my daughter was like so smiles because she knew what was coming. And my son loves cats. So we get there. He figures out where we're going with this huge grin, so excited. And so we start looking at cats. They have a lot of different cats there. And it was really interesting because they had them divided, like regular house cats versus kittens were all in their own little, like, you had to go through a specialty door to go get to the kittens. And then you had to, they had other cats that were in like cages. And so we looked at some of the rooms with the cats, and it was a lot of fun. Period. Oh, by the way, look, Mama, I'm actually writing. Totally not normal for me. Dyslexic and all, they just don't work that way. Anyhow, so we actually enjoyed looking at all the cats and everything, and it was, we went into the kitten room, and we saw these two cats. My son wanted to hold one, so they, of course, were like, yeah, sure. And this little guy climbed right on top of my son's shoulder, tried to climb up on his, he was just a climber. And the girl that was with him, we think they're from the same litter, was just whining and whining and whining. And my daughter was holding her, and she was good after that, but she wanted her brother and was not happy. And then we put them back and started looking at other animals, and Yeah. My daughter fell in love with a cat. Like she liked this one cat liked her, and she wanted that cat. And um, my son wanted the boy that was climbing on him, and so we basically went back um, and went back to examine the kittens and got the kittens. So we went to get one and came out with two. Yeah. Hold on just a second. Look, Mama, more writing. Sorry, this is like totally not normal for me to write stuff like this. Not that I have any idea if I'll be able to read what I wrote, but heck, I'm writing. Anyways, so it was, yeah, we brought home two, a boy and a girl. The kids wanted to call them, I don't remember. And I said, yeah, I'm not going to remember that. So their names got changed to Luke and Leia. Because, yeah, big Star Wars fans here. And Luke, of course, is 100% my son's cat. I don't know what he's going to do when he goes off to college. Here's a little picture of them too. And Leia has kind of become mine. The family's. She loved my hanging out and snuggling with my husband. She's weird. She's like, I'll give you loves when nobody's looking. But lately, since I've been getting sick, it has been very much, I want loves from you, and very demanding. Like, she's at my door as soon as she hears me moving to get loves and whines until I lay down on the sofa to give her morning loves. So weird. But they are both fun and adorable, and you will hear more stories about them as I build this journal. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, this is totally new experience writing and doing a journal, and I'm kind of excited. It's like a scrapbook journal thing. So, again, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and I want you guys to know you matter. It's important for everybody to know that. So, thanks for joining me. You guys are wonderful, and see you guys next time. Bye.